Every type of animal is unique. Today, our Pet Vet on Call has a fun fact for us about birds.
If you were asked what makes birds unique among all the animals, I bet the things you come up with were not exactly accurate. For instance, you'd probably say that birds fly, right? Well, so do bats, and they're mammals, so that's not necessarily all that unique. Birds lay eggs, but so do turtles and lizards, so that's not really all that unique. They make nests to have their eggs in. Well, so do rabbits and squirrels and mice, so that's not really unique. They have scales on their legs, but so do fish, so that's not really unique. So the one thing that makes birds unique is feathers. Feathers make them the most unique.
Hey, we invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koymtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOYM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. Now let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this 1 to 2 year old male shepherd mix. They say he's high energy. He does come when called. His name is Ralphie. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we've chosen this male kitten, domestic long hair. His name is Pot Roast.
That's making me hungry.
Yeah, sounds good. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?